Let's jump into this explainer and solve a huge health mystery that's literally sitting on your dinner plate.
We've all seen the scary headlines, but how exactly does an everyday burger actually lead to colon cancer?
Think of it like a crime scene. We're tracking the microscopic fingerprints of DNA damage left inside you.
This isn't just a wild guess. The World Health Organization confirmed this link after reviewing over 800 studies.
So what's red meat? It's basically just unprocessed mammalian muscle. You know, stuff like beef, pork, and lamb. Processed meat, though, is chemically altered for flavor or shelf life. Yep, we're talking about bacon and hot dogs.
And the risk is real. Eating just 50 grams of processed meat daily bumps up cancer risk by 18%.
Here's the core issue. Cancer is basically unchecked cell growth triggered when our DNA's instruction manual gets smudged.
Let's meet suspect number 1 in our investigation. It's the heme iron that naturally lives inside red meat.
This iron sets off chemical reactions in your gut, damaging DNA and practically inviting cancer cells to grow.
Suspect number 2 isn't the meat itself, but how we cook it. High heat brings a whole new problem. Frying or grilling over 300 degrees creates charred chemicals and smoke toxins that directly attack your cells.
Now for our final suspect. This one hides out mainly in your favorite processed meats, like deli ham.
Added preservatives like nitrates form nasty compounds inside your digestive tract that cause long-term genetic damage.
But hold on, does eating one single steak mean you're going to get cancer? Absolutely not.
Your body fixes DNA damage every single day. The risk only skyrockets when that system is overwhelmed for years.
So how do we actually protect ourselves?
Carrie Daniel McDougall says we just need to grill smarter.
Let's pivot to the good stuff. Here are some absolute game changers for preventing those cancer risks. First trick, marinate. Soaking meat for 30 minutes in acidic juices and herbs is a chemical miracle.
Seriously, an acidic herb marinade slashes those dangerous HCAs by over 92%. That's huge.
Next, control the heat. Microwave meat partially, dodge big flame flare-ups, and keep flipping those burgers.
Or, hey, just get that perfect sear outside, then safely finish cooking it in the oven.
Finally, pair it right. Load up your plate with veggies packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. The chlorophyll in veggies literally grabs onto those heme molecules, blocking their toxic effects completely. Also, grab leaner cuts. Less fat dripping means way less of that toxic smoke ruining your food.
The big takeaway, you don't have to ditch the barbecue. We're just going to grill a whole lot smarter.
So, armed with all this science, what new marinating tricks are hitting your grill this weekend?